Meteorologist Dean Davison, Storm Surge LLC, live weatherblogs.com. Time for a severe weather outlook for the day on Tuesday, the 29th, 2014. As you see, flood watches in effect Philadelphia, Trenton, New York City, back through Roanoke, D.C., Baltimore, back through the Virginias, all around the Atlanta, Georgia, Birmingham, Alabama. And we have tornado watches here in Mississippi and also in North Carolina, and we'll show you why that is coming up here shortly. I'm going to get you over to the Storm Prediction Center and show you the threat risk here. Birmingham to Jackson, back down here is the moderate risk zone. We have the slight risk zone just next to Roanoke. So Bedford County, as far right on Roanoke, this slight risk area is. And the reason is that's for later this evening when this warm air influences. And I'll show you tomorrow because that's going to even mean more. Threat down here. We moved over to tornado here. Map. And you can see right down here in Alabama and Mississippi again, biggest threat. But you got Carolina, Tennessee, Georgia, South Carolina, all in that threat. And 2% threat even in Roanoke Valley. So, and wind will also be an issue and hail. But we're going to take a look now to tomorrow. You can see in city-wise tomorrow, we got a area from D.C. just south of Baltimore, D.C. down to Roanoke, out to Virginia Beach, all of that area, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, all in the risk. And you can see the probabilistic. Roanoke's in the 30% probabilistic, which means it's in a higher risk zone for even possibly a moderate risk zone tomorrow, potentially for damaging winds and tornadoes. And we'll have to watch that very closely as that warm front progresses north. You can see right now we have that wedge down here that comes through North Carolina, and you see where the warm front is. This warm front will progress to the east and northeast, and from the south to the north, that warm sector tomorrow with that low pressure back in Iowa as it moves east. So that's where we're going to be the issue tomorrow. I'll show you that on the future map. So you can see this right now. The warm front progresses there. This will change by this evening. The warm front progressing north towards Roanoke. By overnight, it has progressed north. And by tomorrow, it's way up near D.C. As the cold front comes from the west, severe threat increases with tornadoes and threat, and it will be out of the area by Thursday, right along the coast. So be careful this afternoon. LiveWeatherBlocks.com for all the latest. Have a great one.